In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix XD file won't open, recovery. When an XD file refuses to open, the most common cause is that your app is out of date or Creative Cloud hasn't pulled the latest compatibility fixes. The quickest path to recovery is to update through the Creative Cloud desktop app, then relaunch XD and your file. Start by opening the Creative Cloud desktop app. You'll find it in your applications list, and it usually lives in the system tray or menu bar as well. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're signed in. If Creative Cloud itself prompts you to update, let it finish first. The app can't reliably check for updates until it's current. Once it's open, go to the Apps or Updates section. This view shows everything installed and whether an update is available. Look for Adobe XD in the list. If you see an update button, that's your cue. This is important because minor point releases often include file open bug fixes, crash patches, and compatibility updates for files created on newer versions. Click Update next to XD and let the process run without interruption. Keep your internet connection stable, don't put the computer to sleep, and close XD if it's open. Depending on your connection, this can take a few minutes. When the update completes, you should see XD marked as up to date. If you don't see an update button and it already says open, that means you're current. In that case, just go ahead and launch XD. During the update process, you might be prompted to grant permissions or close background processes. Allow those so the installer can finish cleanly. Now open Adobe XD. You can launch it directly from the Creative Cloud app or from your regular applications menu. With XD running, try opening your project again. For best results, use File, Open from within XD and browse to the file, rather than double-clicking from a folder. This ensures XD handles the file with the freshly loaded components. In many cases, that's all it takes. Updating through Creative Cloud refreshes the core components that interpret your XD document, which resolves version mismatches and unexpected crashes. If your file opens now, save a new copy so you have a clean, updated version going forward. Keeping Creative Cloud and XD up to date is the simplest way to prevent this issue from popping up again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into your design work quickly.